Alright, what's up everybody? I'm going to do a little video today that I kind of not typical what I do. It's going to be a little bit of a how-to video. These work really well for us here at the ranch, so I just wanted to pass this on. I picked it up from somebody, and so I wanted to share it with you guys. We're going to be making some sawhorses. You can always use a good sawhorse. If you got some extra lumber laying around, I'll show you how to do that. We're going to make some I-beam sawhorses. So basically what I did was I went through our wood pile and scraps and what have you, and this is what I found. We got a lot of scraps laying around here. 2x4s, and I'll cut 6 2x4s at 36 inches. And that'll be your legs and part of your cross beam. And then you only need one 36-inch 2x6 for the top part on each sawhorse. So we got our first 36-inch leg, and what I'm going to use, I'm just going to use this. It doesn't have to be perfect as far as, like I said, you can use scrap lumber. It doesn't have to be perfect, you know. I'm just going to use my board here as a guide, and just going to mark off of it. And whenever you mark with a board instead of a tape measure, you want to make sure that you cut on the line and not on the outside of the line. So you want to make sure you cut right on the center of the line, and that way they'll match up. There you go. The first step to assembling a sawhorse is to take the 2x6. This will be the top of your sawhorse, and then you're going to add a 2x4 perpendicular to the 2x6 and attach that with 4 wood screws through the 2x6. Once you've done that, then you'll attach another 2x4 to the bottom, and that will complete the formation of your I-beam, and you'll attach that with 4 wood screws as well. After you've done that, then you're going to take one of your legs and you're just going to snuggle it up underneath the top of the I-beam. And you'll put 2 wood screws at the top of the leg and then 2 wood screws at the bottom of the I-beam. After you complete that, you'll do the same thing on the opposite side. That will give you the other leg on that end of the sawhorse. Do the same process on the other end of the sawhorse, and you've completed your assembly. And there we go. Nice and sturdy. Okay. That is not going to wobble, and it's going to be, as long as you have it on level ground or on the floor, it's going to be very sturdy. Now, as you can do, if you're dealing with like really heavy material and you think these might start to loosen or whatever, you can put a cross brace across here. I haven't had to do that yet because I just don't deal with anything on my sawhorses that's that heavy. Super fast way to create real sturdy sawhorses. So let's put the other one together. All right, there you go. Top plate on 2x6 and create this I-beam between the 2x6, 2x4, 2x4. And then whenever you attach the legs, you just kind of fit them in flush against the center of the I-beam. 2 here on all 4 legs. Presto. It's a really good sawhorse. So again, if you're looking for some really solid sawhorses and you need something and you got some scrap lumber laying around, you can see that a lot of this wood was, you know, really partially damaged. So, you know, and if a leg rots out on it, you just unscrew it, attach another one on there. If you like this video, make sure you hit like and subscribe, share with your friends, leave a comment if you got a better idea, something that would make it even stronger. Obviously, be very curious to know. Thanks for checking in. God bless.